Dear YouTube team, I'm called Samuel Nyomungeli. My YouTube channel is AfriSeries TV with the handle of Alobaz Official AfriSeries. So, I'm taking this video due to the monetization of my YouTube channel, which was flagged for used content. I respectfully believe that this is a mistake done to demonetize my YouTube channel. So, it's a mistake because all video uploaded on my YouTube channel are original and created by me. So, I only produce a documentary style of videos through my own narration, footage, and edit work, and also research. So sometimes I make content based on help or how a people can take message or an advantage from my uploads. So I beg you to try to review my content, my YouTube channel, because I need to get back monetized in order to stay consistent in uploading and increasing of my estimated revenue. So, through my own creation, I think that was a mistake done to demonetize my YouTube channel. So, I beg you, try to review my YouTube channel and to help me to get back monetized. So, I'm full of confidence that after reviewing my YouTube channel and my all uploads, you will give me message that will make me very happy. So thank you for considering my message. I'm reclaiming to appeal my demonetization of my YouTube channel to get back monetized. So I'm sadly due to the decision of demonetizing my YouTube channel, but I'm trying to tell you the reason why you will monetize my YouTube channel again. So I think you are very peaceful people and trusted the company to check for me this content and this YouTube channel if there is where I made a mistake. So, but I think there is no mistake because I try to obey and follow community guideline and YouTube guideline. So, thank you a lot for considering my message. I'm waiting for your good response. So, God bless you and thanks for understanding me.